everybody, and a very merry early crafter Christmas to you all. Today I am presenting to you, I have been making these for quite a while, probably 6 months now, but I've been collecting all my Christmas items and I've been pulling them together for a Christmas collection for you so that you can make and get started on your Christmas journals early on, have all the supplies that you need, and just have a lot of fun. So one of the main events in this Christmas collection, there is no journal in this collection. It's a collection of things you can use in your journals to make journals, and you can make quite a few journals with this collection. But one of the most beautiful elements that everybody will receive is this gorgeous array of 20 plus very special, very collectible, very historical Christmas postcards. Many of these came out around the turn of the century, and they are very beautiful. Some of them are written on the back with dates, and some of them are blank on the back. It just depends on the one that came through, but they are certainly lovely. This one, for example, is from 1911. And there's a mix in each set. Everybody gets 20 plus. And they are just the most stunning, gorgeous images. If you're unfamiliar with these, check these out, possibly on eBay. You can see these ranging anywhere from $2 to $50, $60, depending on the one. I have not gone through and fielded these, pulled out the good ones or anything like that. These are just from a collection, and I've amassed these over time, and I thought it was time to do a Christmas collection so that everybody can enjoy the beautiful history and historical collectible nature in these. So yes, you get 20 plus, and that is the first part of the Christmas collection. All right, I'll just move these aside, and then we'll go on to what else you get in this collection. All right, I had to bribe Holly hugely, okay, to be quiet. All right, so now I have three digikits that are all Christmas related things, and they're from 2020, 21, and 22. They're each 5 pages each, so that gives you 15 pages of beautiful Christmas imagery to use for pockets or tucks or journal cards or journal tags, decorating your covers, decorating the insides, inside covers, whatever you like, decorate your envelopes. There are 15 pages total, gorgeous, different sizes, easy to work with, easy to cut out imagery. These are printed. I printed them out for you, all 3 sets on lightweight cardstock. Those are included in the set. So you get 3 of the digikits printed related to Christmas. And next, I thought, what makes me think of Christmas? Well, Christmas, music, and Christmas stories. So everybody gets a nice collection of Christmas music and Christmas stories, and these are all a little bit different, but similar on the same Christmas theme in everybody's set, and there's all different kinds and things here related to Christmas. Stories and Christmas music. And let me see how many of those there are. There are 12 of those in each set. Okay. Next, we have, hello, Holly. He finished his snack, apparently. This is a beautiful collection of Christmas cards. Some of these cards are full cards or card parts. Maybe it's just the front cover because the front cover was very beautiful and somebody saved it, so I am passing that along in the collection. And they range from antique cards, vintage cards, newer cards. So this entire collection is going to be old, new, old stock, just beautiful things. Some things are written in and other things are not. Obviously the cards and that will all be different, but everybody will have, looking at my thing, 10 Christmas cards in your set. And the next thing is, well, if you're going to have Christmas cards, you have to have some beautiful Christmas papers to work with. And what I thought is Christmas paper is so beautiful to work with in junk journals. Why? Because it's thin, it's easy to work with. Once you get it cut, thank you, Holly. Thank you for the extra chatter. I'm sure we're loving that. Yes, we are. Did I give you cashews? Maybe I didn't give him cashews. Hold on. All right, give him 1 cashew. We'll see if that works. I don't know. But anyway, I put a whole bunch in here, lots of different kinds. There are some duplicates, but you're going to get a huge variety in here. And I think the best thing about this is that they're pre-cut for you, so they're easy to work with. Yeah, so sometimes the hardest thing working with wrapping paper or Christmas paper is that it's on the big roll, it's difficult, you don't feel like getting the whole roll out just for a little piece. I went ahead and I cut up a bunch for you, so they're all set and ready to go. And you're going to get at least 15 of those pieces. So here we go. The next section is called the Vintage Ephemera Unique Pile. So these are little bits and bops of different things. They're all going to be different in everybody's section, but it's going to be a little collection. This one has a stencil, a Christmas bag, a Christmas note page. Hey, Holly Bear. And a little bit of Christmas ephemera in here. Little bits and bops that you can use in your Christmas design, and there are 10 plus pieces of that. Okay, and then we're going to have a collection of holiday colored papers. So there's going to be some red, some green, maybe even some blue. It just depends on the kit that you get, but you're going to get at least 3 pieces of colored paper so that you can use it in your design. Hey, Holly Bear. And also there is going to be a collection of ribbons. That's right. What's Christmas without the ribbons, right? So I put a collection of at least 5, if not more, different kinds of ribbons together in this roll that will appear in your collection. And you're going to have lots to make trims and little toppers for journal tags, things like that that'll give nice little accents to your Christmas pieces. Okay. And then we have, I made these 3. I used the old end papers, fly leaves, the few front and back book pages, and maybe even some ledger paper. And I cut them up and I made a journal card, a journal tag, and a little journal tag with some Christmas themed things on them. But they're beautiful old papers, and they're just wonderful to have, and those are fun to add to any junk journal. There you go. And then we have a beautiful collection of 10, come on out, okay, Christmas postcards. These are all individual Christmas postcards in the set of 10, and it took me painstakingly forever to pull these out separately and organize them, so we've got at least 10 of these. And, oh, that looks like a duplicate, doesn't it? Okay, I don't know. But anyway, there's a whole bunch in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so that was probably just stuck together. So there are 10 that are different in each set. Yes, sometimes I can count, sometimes not. I really do my best. Okay. Sometimes things stick together too, you know, you're counting and then you got like 2 or 3 of something instead of 1. That happens a lot. So there you go. You're going to get a set of 10 beautiful Christmas stamps. And then you're going to get some punch outs. I had some punch-shaped designs. So this is like a Christmas bow and a snowflake, things like that might be fun to add to your junk journals. And what are you, little guy? I don't know. And also, with the thank you, you're going to find another letter or card attached to that. So that will be included with your kit. So all in all these goodies, let's see, they are now going to be in my Etsy shop for sale. I have 30 of them. And it's a wonderful collection. If you're really into Christmas and Christmas journals and you want to get started early and maybe you haven't been collecting or you don't even know where to begin or this is going to be your year to do Christmas stuff, I've got you covered. Now, I also have added several bonuses to each pack. And those will be of surprise, so you're going to receive some surprise gifts in there as well. So, with all that being said, Sunshine, do you have anything to say?
I think Holly said everything, but maybe I would like to say a few words, please. Yes. Hello, everybody. Hey, Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. Yeah, Mom's been working on these like crazy, and she really hopes you like them, and they're full of all sorts of really fun stuff. So, Merry Christmas. Have a fun time, everybody. Happy crafting.
Okay, thank you, Sunny. Okay, folks, so there you go. That is the collection, and I hope you find this enjoyable. They are available in my Etsy shop right now as of the launch of this video, and we wish you all a very Merry Early Crafter Christmas. And we go from here together and forward. So there you go, folks. Remember, don't forget to sign up for my free monthly emailed newsletter where you do get a free digital image emailed to you every month, a note from the bookmaker, a checklist of supplies, a page list of ideas, updates from me, junk journal tips, peeks at DigiKits, you name it, it's in there. Go ahead, the link is down below, or it's even located in the video somewhere, around 9 or 10 minute mark. And also, what else? My videos come out Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays, 7 a.m. Eastern Time. My podcasts come out Tuesdays and Thursdays. And those are all audio and new material. And I discuss paper crafting, life of a crafter, junk journals, and answering your crafty questions. And then also on the other days, I'm uploading video podcasts, which are from my archive selection from YouTube. So if you have Spotify and you want to watch the video, that way you can certainly do that. Holly's very excited about those. Yes, and also, what do we have? We have my Amazon shop where my favorite tools and supplies are located that you see me use things on my channel. You'll be able to find the links for those in there. And all my links are down below in the description box. You can find me on Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook. Come and join our Facebook group. We're having so much fun doing weekly, monthly challenges over there. And I love seeing what you guys are posting, and you're certainly welcome to lurk. And also, let's see. What else? Oh, I have a merchandise shop. Hey, since we're talking Christmas, if you or you know a family member or a friend who might be inspired by the phrase, create with reckless abandon, hey, I got you covered. You can get a t-shirt, a sweatshirt, a mug, a tote, you name it, and that will be shipped right directly to you. And this is also available to many countries in the world. So it is partially worldwide, I would say. And you just have to check on the link to see if your country is included there. And what else? I sell fundles in my shop, which are collections of old and interesting papers. These are found in my Etsy shop. I know I have a lot of shops. I'm working on that. Bear with me. It's a fundle. It's a collection of old, interesting, vintage, and hand-dyed papers, as well as many other items, 100 plus. And they are wonderful to make all sorts of eclectic junk journals out of. And I also have vintage DigiKits, which are printable downloads, computer files, which you can purchase. And then they are saved for you eternally on Etsy. You can download them and save them on your computer or whatever favorite device you have. And then you can print them out as needed. You own them forever. And also, if you don't have a printer, I have a print and mail service. I do 10 DigiKits at a time. That gets you 50 pages printed on lightweight cardstock. You don't need to buy the individual DigiKits. All you need to do is send me a list of 10 DigiKit names to pam@thepaperoutpost.com. That's my email. Or you can message that list to Etsy. There's an Etsy message place. You can just send that message that way and just purchase the print and mail option. And then I will go ahead and print and mail those out to you. Those also come printed on lightweight cardstock. I also have the signature DigiKits, which are new. They are designed to be lighter, paler, softer colored pages that are background pages, great for collage, but also great for just plain journal pages, signature pages in your journal. And you can write on them, you can tear them up and use them, you can fold them into many different things, and I show you lots of different examples. Could you be any twittier? No, I think you're missing the high note, boy. Go for it. Okay. It's a life around here. And what else? I think that's pretty much it. So I'm going to let you go now. I hope, wishing you all the best, no matter what you're doing, no matter what, philosophy or spirit or religion. I wish you all happy holidays, whatever you are celebrating. And merry early, happy July, Christmas. Craft your Christmas to everybody. Take care, everyone. Create with reckless abandon, and we'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.